guys, welcome back to the video. We're just gonna hop right back into it. A little bit of POV driving. Yeah, we're just gonna do a little bit of commentary while we're driving. We're just gonna enjoy the sun and get some driving footage in. And then hopefully later on in the video we're gonna get some exhaust clips too. It sounds pretty good. It's a little hot out. Ooh. It's a little hot out right now, but hopefully the car doesn't overheat. Oh yeah. The car performs well, it doesn't overheat. So far so good, knock on wood. So look at that sign right there, guys. Swervy roads for the next 6 miles. That's what we like to see. Hopefully the audio's picking up all the sounds and stuff like that and not too much wind noise. Oh my gosh. When I tell you guys, this car is so fun to drive. It's super fun to drive. I do want to experience an M one day, but the B58 is really holding it down. I can't lie to you guys. I do have H&R Super Sport springs right now. I do want to upgrade to coilovers eventually, but for now the springs have been holding up pretty well. Was that a cop? There's a cop in the back canyons, guys. I do have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's equipped on the car right now. It's performing super well. I really like the grip that it has compared to the I used to run Indy 500s. They were okay for the price. It just took a little while for the tires to warm up, but I think the tire that I'm running now is my favorite tire. It's my first time running them, but I mean, they're super sticky, super responsive, and they don't make too much road noise. And they hug the road pretty well, in my opinion, especially when warmed up. Hey, it's my twin. What the heck? But anyways, hopefully everyone's day is going by good so far. I can't complain. It's another beautiful day in SoCal. Alright guys, but enough talking. We're just gonna let the engine talk for itself, and hopefully you guys can pick up the audio, and hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. I do have this freaking annoying sound coming from my center console. I was looking it up. Hopefully it picks up on the mic, but I heard it was like a loose brake cable or something connected to the e-brake, and it makes a noise when it rubs on the drive shaft, but I'll get that fixed eventually. We're just gonna send it right here. Like that, we're back in civilization, guys. It's a sick little back road. I think there's more over here. The car is performing super well, super good. I just love the B58, guys. It's been super reliable. I've been running a stage 2 tune probably since the first week that I've gotten the car, actually. I got like a catless downpipe, dual resonator delete, and that's all I pretty much have for the exhaust, and it sounds super sick. I'm gonna try and get sound clips later on in the video after I do a little bit of spirited driving. I like to call it. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. Alright guys, so in the last video I didn't really go over what I had in the exhaust for the car, but it's a dual resonator delete. I chopped off both the resonators at an exhaust shop. It sounds pretty good, but I also paired it with a catless downpipe. There's no cats on the car right now, but yeah, that's what it sounds like in Sports Plus, guys. So when the valves open up, it gets super loud. It's not too raspy in my opinion. It sounds just right. I think BMW did a really good job at inside cabin noise, because you can't really hear the car outside unless you have the windows down. I've heard a lot of people say that catless downpipes do have a smell to it, but in my opinion I don't really smell it, or maybe I'm just used to it, but it doesn't really have a bad smell to me. Rookie mistake, my GoPro battery died, but I'm gonna switch over to my phone camera. So the cool thing about most tuning platforms for the BMW is that you can actually adjust how aggressive you want the exhaust to be. I'm gonna attach my boot mode settings for the exhaust in the video right here. But yeah, I know a lot of people don't run burbles. They turn off burbles completely. But in my opinion, I kind of like the burbles as long as it's not too aggressive or too loud, and not too long either. Because I know super loud, aggressive burbles can actually mess up your turbo, and I don't want that happening. I mean, unless I do big turbo soon. All right guys, I'm gonna head out of here. I had a lot of fun making the video today. The car did get a little dirty, it did get a little dusty from driving it all in the sand and stuff, but I had a lot of fun making the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is a little hot out today, but the car performed super well. I don't want it to overheat, so I'm just gonna drive a little bit slow out of here. I'm definitely gonna have to wash the car, but if you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you guys give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.